Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to see unsent photos on Messenger. Let's dive right in. First, make sure that Messenger app is updated to the latest version. If it's not, go ahead and update it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, open the Messenger app on your phone. If someone sends you a photo and then removes it using the unsend feature, normally it disappears from the chat, but there's a smart way to make sure you don't lose it in the future. Here's how. Tap your three horizontal lines in the bottom left corner, then click Settings at the top. Scroll down and tap Photos and Media or Media Preferences. Find the toggle that says Save on Capture. Turn it on. With this setting enabled, every image someone sends you will be saved directly to your device's photo gallery, so even if the sender deletes the image in the chat, you'll still have your own saved copy. And that's it. Now you won't lose any images even if they're unsent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.